Imagine having an AI that doesn't just do what you tell it, but figures things out on its own. An AI that can set its own mini goals to achieve a bigger mission. What if your smart speaker could anticipate your needs, or your car could truly think for itself? This isn't just future fantasy, it's the exciting world of agentic AI. Welcome to She Explores the Cosmos Artificial Intelligence, your weekly guide to the most captivating trends in AI. Let's explore how these intelligent systems are moving beyond simple tools and whether they could truly become our ultimate sidekicks, changing everything about how we interact with technology. So, what exactly is agentic AI? Imagine you have a regular AI, like your phone's photo editor. You tell it, blur the background, then add a filter, then crop the picture. You're giving it step by step instructions. Now, think of agentic AI like a super smart assistant who can figure out things on their own. Instead of you telling it every single tiny step, you give it one big goal. For example, you say, I need to plan a project on the solar system. An agentic AI wouldn't just wait for your next command. It might then decide to search for information, plan an outline, create a presentation, and even suggest images, all by itself, to reach your main goal of finishing the project. It's about AI taking more initiative. This idea of agentic AI isn't just science fiction. We are already seeing it in early forms. Self-driving cars. These cars aren't just following the lines on the road. They constantly see what's around them with sensors. Think about what the best route is and act by speeding up or slowing down, all on their own. It's a huge, complex goal they are trying to achieve, safely driving you to your destination. Advanced smart assistants. Imagine your phone's assistant not just answering questions, but actually knowing what you need before you even ask. Like knowing that you have a big test tomorrow and automatically setting reminders, finding study guides, and even playing your top hits. Robots in factories. In big factories, robots are learning to do more than just simply move. They are starting to notice problems, like a machine being slow, then automatically figuring out how to fix the problem to keep everything running efficiently. So, why is everyone talking about agentic AI? The potential is mind blowing. These systems could solve huge problems. Think about AI helping scientists quickly find cures for diseases, figure out how to stop climate change, or design new materials. They can work on big, long term goals that are too complex for humans alone. Giving you more time. Imagine an AI handling your boring task, organizing your files, scheduling appointments, or even writing first drafts of emails. This would free you up to do more creative, fun, or important things. Making everything personal. AI could learn what you like and need, giving you super customized education, entertainment, and even health advice that fits you perfectly. But let's be real, a super smart AI that can do everything on its own, like we see in the movies, is still a long way off. We are currently building smaller, more focused agentic AIs that are good at specific things. So, as AI gets smarter, we need to think about some big challenges. Safety. We need to make sure AI systems always act in safe ways and follow our rules. What if an agentic AI planning traffic routes accidentally causes a jam? We need to build in ways to control them and even stop them if needed. Fairness. AI learns from data. If the data it's trained on is unfair or biased, like mostly showing one group of people, the AI can too become unfair. We need to make sure AIs are fair and transparent in how they make decisions. Responsibility. Who's in charge when an agentic AI makes a mistake? Building these systems means we need clear rules and laws to make sure everyone involved is responsible. Agentic AI is an incredibly exciting step in how smart our machines become. While the idea of fully independent AI sidekicks is still evolving, the steps we are taking now are already changing our world. Understanding this journey helps us see both the amazing potential and the important responsibilities that come with building these powerful systems. Join us next time as we explore how AI actually learns through something called machine learning. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to She Explores the Cosmos.